How's it going, YouTube? My name is Blake Yarborough. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to lace this LeBron 16 lace lock. As you can see, I've already got it laced here on the left shoe, and I'm going to show you how to lace it up on the right shoe here. The first step is you need to decide how high or low on the tongue of the shoe you want the lace lock. First, go ahead and begin unlacing. So now I'm ready to start to put on the lace lock. Just so you guys know, the lace lock does go in this direction, with this being the top, the smaller end, because this is an LJ for LeBron James. But you can lace it this direction if you just like the shape better, but it is designed to go this way. Let me show you guys something else to notice about Nike and how they lace their sneakers from the factory. The lace that's on the outer side of your foot, the lateral side, always crosses on top of the inner lace. So if you can tell right here, this lace crosses over to the inside of the foot. Same on the next row, it always crosses over. Then opposite on this side over here, from the outer side of the foot it crosses over, and here it crosses over again. That's true on about 99% of Nike shoes, if not 100%. Always the outer lace crosses on top or over the lace from the inside of the foot. Your shoe should look like this. So like I said, the inner lace goes first. The inner lace will also go through the outer lace loop here, and the outer lace will go through the inner lace loop here. So what you'll do is you've got your lace lock, you've got two slots here on the side. Pass this through the lace lock. Okay, so you got the first lace through right here. Now you need to go through the battle knit material here on the side. We'll go in like so, and then if you put pressure like this, you can pop it through a little bit easier. Okay, so there's one lace complete. Take the outer lace, you're going to go through, which now it'll be on top of the other one. And you're going to go through this lace loop right here. Okay, now we've got both laces pulled through here, through the first hole of the lace lock. Now this lace needs to go through the holes right here in the battle knit. If you put pressure, you can push it through like that. Makes it much easier. Now you're going to repeat for this same hole. Start again with the inside of the foot. Go through the lace lock. And through this outer lace loop. Then you got the battle knit here at the top. All right, and that side is completely done. Now you just need to take this lace from the outside of the foot, go through the lace lock. You need to go through this inner lace loop here. And then through the battle knit. All right, and that's it. It can slide a little bit, but it's on there. That's how you do it. And like I said, if you wanted to put it down at the bottom of the shoe, you can do that. Just unlace it all the way down to here, or start all the way at the bottom and do the same exact thing. Just take the lace lock, put it down here, feed it through each hole, through the lace loops on the tongue, and then through the battle knit. It is pretty tough to get these laces through these lace loops and then through the battle knit. The best way to get the laces through this battle knit material is to push it in and keep pressure on it until you can see it come through this other side right there. And then to push down this side, use your middle finger or one of your fingers on the back to create a bridge so you can push it through like so, and then pull the other side. That's the best way to do that. This one was much easier for me to lace than the first time I did it. The first time was pretty tough. This one was a lot easier because I already knew what I was doing. That's gonna wrap up this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you liked it. Hopefully it helped. Drop me a thumbs up and subscribe, guys. Thank you.